Hey guys, it's Chuck with Kovaction Dronography, and if you're flying one of these DJI FPV drones like I have here, and you're like me and you're worried about crashing it, you might not have to worry quite so much because there are parts available. I'll have more right after this. So you'll find in the description of my video below a link to this site, Cloud City Drones, and if you go to the site, you'll see a whole list of parts, and I think the most important one for us will be the arms. The arms are available. You will have to know how to solder. You'll have to be able to transfer your existing motors over to the new arms and then solder them to the body, well actually the control boards on the drone itself. And there's a whole bunch of other parts too that are available. So if you haven't done refresh because you're like me and you felt you could fix it yourself or get the parts, it looks like you can. If you have any questions or anything like that, post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.